What is Buddhism? Namo Buddhaya. Actually, all of us belongs to many kinds of religions. It doesn't matter. This video, I will discuss some frequently asked questions about Buddhism. Question number 1. What is Buddhism? Question number 2. Is Buddhism only a philosophy? Question number 3. Is the Lord Buddha a god or not? Okay, let's go our lesson. Question number 1. What is Buddhism? What do you think? There is a great deal of suffering in a life of anyone who was born to this world. Buddhism helps understanding this reality and reveals the once and only path to free oneself from this entire suffering. Buddhism is the Dhamma that consists of discourses preached by the Lord Buddha. The Dhamma was well taught with a comfortable beginning part, middle part and end. Irrelevant of the time of practicing, the Dhamma can be understood in this very own life. Anyone can be asked to come and witness it, like a person uses a mirror to see the reflected image of himself. A disciple needs to see his or her own life with the mirror of Dhamma. One of the main characteristics of Dhamma is its ability to open or prepare someone's mind to realize it according to the person's wisdom. This is why the Dhamma is remarkable and esteemed. Question number 2. Is Buddhism only a philosophy? What do you think? Some people identify Buddhism as a philosophy. In a way, it's correct. The philosophy of the Buddha is the truth, the extract way of the world, because the teachings of the Buddha allow one to attain Nibbana, ending the suffering of being in the repeating circle of life, aging, sickness and death. Buddhism can also be considered as a religion too. Question number 3. Is the Buddha a god or not? What's your opinion? The Buddha is not a god, neither a normal human being. He was a noble man and became the greatest among humans and deities, attaining the Nibbana after he was born as a human. Now I think you have a clear idea about basic concepts of Buddhism. If you have any questions regarding this video of Buddhism, please comment to me. This is my 17th video. If you are a newcomer, go through my early videos. Namo Buddhaya.